ayan.
Okay.
So tama sila kasi because our next segment is a karaoke contest cosplayer.
Okay, karaoke. Pero hindi siya basta karaoke. It's a karaoke with a twist. And para malaman natin yan, siguro introduce muna natin, ano ba itong contest na to?
Yes, so ito yung contest na to, para siyang contest. So,
I guess,
karaoke siya with a twist like you said. Kasi ito ay isang
Cosplay Anisong Challenge!
So,
Alright.
cosplay siya talaga. Ayan.
Okay, yeah. So here are the rules. Our performers must be in costume during their performance. During registration, they all gave us their preferred songs, but we will be shuffling these songs.
Yes, and on stage, they will be able to choose from the list of songs at random via roleta. So, roleta tayo.
Yun, so talagang yun yung twist natin pala. So, by random na kung ano sa mga pinili nilang kanta.
Yes.
Pero wag sila mag-alala because just like in any other karaoke, the lyrics will be available on screen. And kung paano sila gagradean, we have 50% for voice quality, 40% for performance quality, and 10% audience impact for a total of
100%! Cosplay Anisong Challenge is powered by our lifestyle exhibitor, Shadow Government, Koreana, K-Shop, and Big Kids Corner. So thank you sa lahat ng mga exhibitors. At syempre, kailangan natin pakilala ang ating mga nagwawapuang judges at nagagandang judges.
Okay, so we have our first judge who is a mainstay in the local J-cover band scene. She has been involved in various capacities with several bands, including Sensation, Exploding Munchkins, and the 2018 Anifest Battle of the Bands winner, Placeholder. She cosplays whenever the opportunity presents itself and even has won as one of the best cosplays during the Jujutsu Kaisen Zero fan screening in 2022. Currently, she is involved in supporting the local J-Rock and indie community as a band gig organizer at Chaotic Evil Small Productions. Please give it up for Cho!
John! Yee-hoo! Ayan naman eh. And our next judge is on one half of the music duo Kina and Miyuki. Known for their Japanese-inspired originals and Japanese-translated covers of OPM. She provides the vocal and translation for duo, and she has been a part of the J-music community for many years. Please give a round of applause for Miyuki!
And of course, for our last judge, our next judge is an incredible guitarist from the band Sanctuary Ship. He is also the creative force behind various J-music events and the mastermind of Sky High live events. Please give a round of applause to Uchida!
Yan. Thank you very much, judges. So, malamang ready na sila.
Okay, ready na siguro ating mga contestants.
So, without further ado, we call our contestant number 1 from the series Love and Space.
Alright.
Sheng Buan. Hello!
Oh, so, pangalan.
Your name?
Jenny yan.
At ano ang kinakosplay po natin ngayon?
NC from Love and Deep Space.
Okay, MC from Love and Deep Space. Ang tanong, gaano ka kaya kaswerte ngayon?
Kasi malalaman natin sa ating
Malalaman kasi
Rolex.
natin, iroroleta natin ang ngayong magiging kanta. Gaano ka kaya kaswerte ngayon?
100%.
50-50. Okay, sige.
Okay, let's
Pwede na rin. Sige.
Asan na ang ating
So,
Rolex?
saan ang ating...
Ayan.
Ayan.
Papaikot na natin.
Sige, go. Touchscreen. Yun. Okay.
Labor of Life.
By Utada Hikaru. Okay. So, ready ka na
Kaya?
ba?
Kaya.
Kaya kayo. Okay, let's give a chance or palakpakan natin, Shen Wan!
Arigato to Kimi ni iwareru to Nariga na setsunai sayonara mo Hoto no moneruma ko Narito no norigai The flavor of love The flavor of love 友達でも恋人でも髪が落ちてね勝負なのにも逃げてる青いフルーツPaligid na sa mandan sa nade Chikay na to na magte baby Ay, arigato to Kimi ni iwareru to Nanda setsunai sayonara go Hoto no moneruma mo Awaka mo no norigai The flavor of love The flavor of love Arigatou gozaimasu.
All right, that is contestant number 1. Zen, you won. Okay, so next up we have contestant number 2. Nako, from the same series ata kami. Imposibleng hindi kita makilala, di ba? Kung anong series ka. So, pangalan? Moon Cherry. Sige, para sa mga hindi nakakilala, from what series and anong character mo?
Robin from Honkai Star Rail po.
Yan, okay. At, tingin mo, maswerte ka ba ngayon? Hindi mo alam. Sige, malalaman na lang natin kasi we need to check sa roleta mo. Yan. So, touchscreen daw to eh. So, yan. We have Lemon. Ano? Game? Game ka na ba? Okay, so we have contestant number 2, Moon Cherry. All right, and that is Moon Cherry, contestant number 2. Yan. All right, so next contestant natin. Sino kaya yung contestant number 3 naman natin? Sige po.
Hello,
Ayun. Okay po, name po sir?
my stage name is The Soloist.
The Soloist. And what are you cosplaying right now?
Buzan from Demon Slayer.
Muzan? Ay, si Michael Jack. Ay, di ba? Sorry. Okay, Muzan. Okay, Muzan from Demon Slayer. Ngayon, gaano ka kaswerte?
50-50.
Are you feeling 50-50 daw? Okay. Roleta, please. Aba, gaganda ng mga kantang nakikita ko dito Pak! Yun, naging Yu-Gi-Oh! Okay, hindi ka na ba?
I'll give it my best shot.
Okay, he will give it his best shot. Let's give it up for the soloist.
Sun coconut shinoyoni shone yoshinori Hey, 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 hey. Oi, kaze ga ima, no de wa watatai te mo, watashi da ke wo, tara mitsumete, oerenderu anata, soto kureru mono wa tomeru koto ni mutsu de, neise mada shiranai itaike no hitomi. だけどいつか気づくでしょうその背中には遥か未来目指すためのことがあるバタさあ遠くなってしのけずまただけでやがて飛び出す音が白忘ればくそで思Thank you.
All right, and that's the soloist. Okay. Sige nga. So, sino ba ang ating magiging susunod na contestant right now? Uy! Parang kilala ko tong ano to Okay, what is your name?
I'm Ren.
Ano pa?
Ren.
Ren. And what are you cosplaying for today?
I'm cosplaying the Grim Reaper from A Date with Death.
Okay, you're cosplaying the Grim Reaper. So, how do you think, gano'n ka kaswerte?
Sorry, what?
Gano'n ka kaswerte, tingin mo?
I hope, yeah.
Ano bang naiisip mong makakanta mo today?
I'm hoping it's Kickback.
You're hoping na
Kickback.
K-pop?
Kickback.
Kickback. Sige, tingnan natin kung magiging kickback. Dito naman siya sa Subukan natin. Yan. Tingnan natin kung maswerte ka sa kickback na gusto mo. Hindi. Pero Bakenohana. Okay, ready ka na ba?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's give it up for Ren!
Nani
Alright, and that is Ren. Alright. So far, magagaling ating mga contestants. So, sino ba ang next natin for the next contestant, please? Okay, so we have our next male contestant. Your name, sir?
Taiki Kago X,
Taiki Kago X. Okay, and what are you cosplaying for today?
Chilchok Teams.
Shilchak Teams from?
Delicious in Dungeon.
Okay, so, gaano kakaswerte? Tingin mo?
I leave it all
Hindi
to
for
chance.
sure. Pero, kung halimbawa makakapili ka ng kanta, anong kanta gusto mong kakantahin? Anong kanta kakantahin mo kung sakali?
All three choices ko are all good.
Kahit ano daw sa choices, okay lang. Ano pa mga choices mo? Oh, sige nga. Tignan natin. Spin the wheel. Bling bang bang bling bang bang bling bang bang. Confident ka na ba dyan? Okay, if you're confident, let's give it up for Taiki Kago X!
지금 깊은 아종대 팅깍팅 시작하는 못해 한쪽 이제 골고루 뜨면 나이다 스물이 계속 끝날 때 발발 굴려 스몰 때 발발 굴려 스몰 때 바꿔대 비비비 셋때 마시아 굴변 셋 무드만 비대 It's me, yeah Bam 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 boom bam 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 드디어 그 하게 신의 말이 어제 그 나도 내 그바시 어제 그 하도 very happy 어제 그 나도 스텝까지 I don't start this in my itch 나를 이끌어 보여 난 그 eyes your eyes I say 걸 바꿔 내가 이걸 I could very happy 어제 그 아게를 많이 그려 가서 너무나지 삐꼭 가서 되게 지금 막가서 이 말이 나중에 날 나중 마지막 이 사람이 옆에 믿고 나의 잣대 우답에 삼답에 so yeah 나만 믿어 나만 때려 똑똑만 때 Do the next to the each way 나 singing bim bam bam bim bam bam bim bam bam bo bim bam bam bim bam bam bim bam bam bo bim bam bam bim bam bam bim bam bam bo Do the next to the each way A day when I'm not even talking that your flex. A day 나를 못 들어 어쩌면 나 이렇게. A day when I'm not even talking that your flex. A day 나를 못 들어 어쩌면 나 이렇게.
Alright, thank you Taiki Kago X! Napasayaw din ako din na bling bang bang bling bang bang bling bang. So sino na yung ating magiging next contestant? Aba. Okay po. Name po?
Sheena.
Sheena. Okay, what are you cosplaying for today?
Hoshino Besho from VTuber.
VTuber. Okay. So, tingin mo gaano ka kaswerte sa roleta mo mamaya?
Lahat mahirap.
Pa?
Lahat mahirap.
Lahat mahirap. Sige, kung meron kang gustong kantahin right now, kung hindi siya nakaroleta, anong gusto mong kantahin ko sakali?
Moe tsaka Fire.
Okay. Sige. Let's see nga. Ano bang choices mo dito sa roleta? Asan na yun? Kinakabahan na. Asan na yung roleta mo? Ayun! Nandyan ba ang kanta mo?
Wala.
Naku.
Wala.
Sige. Subukan nga natin. Oh. Ha? 3 choices. Oh my God. Sige. Gulo. Oh my God. Sorry, naka-technical tayo. Ayan, okay. Ayan. So, it's time to spin the wheel tayo. So, we have Shinonoga Iwa. Okay. Tori, okay. Kaya mo? Kaya ba? Kakayanin? Sige, konti, kaya mo yan. Hindi kaya yan. Huwag kang kabahan. Kinakabahan ka ba ngayon?
Sakto lang.
Sakto lang. Sige, kung ready ka na, let's give it up for Sheena!
No need to ask, this is my heart. Yeah, yeah. 私の最後はあなたがいい。あなたとこのままおさらばするより死ぬのがいいわ。死ぬのがいいわ。三度の飯よりあんたがいいのよ。あんたとこのままおさらばするより死ぬのがいいわ。死ぬのがいいわ。それでも時々をつく
Alright, so that is Sheena. Okay, now calling cosplayer number 7, si Gigi.
Hello!
Hello po. Ayan, so, again, ano po pangalan nila? Ito po tayo sa gitna. Ayan.
O si Gigi.
Gigi, and what are you cosplaying for today?
Kazuki Fuse from Jinro, the Wolf Brigade.
Alright, sige. Gaano ka kaswerte sa roleta mo ngayon?
I'm feeling lucky, baby!
You're feeling lucky. Ito ang pinakamaswerte natin daw. Feeling lucky daw siya today. Kung meron kang gustong kantahin sa roleta mo, ano yung pinaka-topic mo na binigay?
Hari-hari yokai.
Okay, sige. Ano ba? Kung mukhang game na game ka na, sige, tingnan nga natin.
Okay yun! Pwede! Pwedeng
Don't
pwede.
say lazy. Mukhang confident. Confident ka na ba sa kanta mo na yan?
Yep.
Okay, so ready ka na ba?
Ready!
Okay, mukhang ready na siya. Ready na ba kayo? Let's go! We have Gigi!
Keon fans dyan, kaway-kaway! Please don't say you are lazy だって本当は crazy 白鳥たちはそう見えないとこでまた味するんです炎に十分忠実炎も十分承知絶対ヨーヨーだしだからために有名しちゃうんです Let's go! Keon! Woo! の目でしっかり見定めて指先地図上まぶして近道あればそれが王道はしょれる翼もあれば上等やっぱそれ割れた空で募集したそれだけでなんか達成感大事なのは自分可愛がること自分を愛さなきゃ人の愛せない Please don't say you are lazy だって本当は crazy とあるばかはそう言えるとこでいいと楽しんで想像に一生懸命現実は絶対別で果て途中だしだから不意にピッチ外れるんです
Thank you very much, contestant number 7. And Cosplay Mania 2025 is co-presented by Mountain Dew and is brought to you by our silver sponsor, PLDT Home. Cosplay Mania 2025 is made possible by Brother International Corporation, Everest Appliances, ES Print Media, Cost Shop, Life Force, SMS Convention Center, Ticketmax, Neutral Grounds, Hubtype Toy Store, District 1 Cosplay Studio, Gameser, Metapark, HotelPlanner.com, and Aristide. Cosplay Mania 2025 is proud member of IOEA. We also acknowledge our media partners, Manila Bulletin, ReninManila.com, Anime PH, Setsuani, Usapan Cosplay, Otaku Bags, TSKR, Task Report Media, Anime Corner, Cosplay Network Philippines, Tem Gensakyo, Kuhaku Media, J-Pop Manila, Just Chilling, Magic 89.9, and ArcadeDimac.com. Cosplay Manila, Cosplay Mania 2025 is organized by Cosplay.ph, the organizer of the season of the Cosplay series, which include Cosplay Carnival, FanFest, Anime, and Cosplay Expo, that's ACX, Cosmeet, and Cosplay Matsuri. And we proceed contestant number 8 from Cardcaptor Sakura as Sakura Kinomoto Mo-chan. Hello!
Hello?
Ayan. So, kamusta naman? How are you? Kinakabahan ba? Medyo first time? First time, don't worry. Sino mga kasama mo dito? Ay! Yun pala, friendship! Kasama ang friendship.
Contestant din po sa kabilang.
Good! At least, di ba kung sino yung manalo, no? Ganun yan, usapan. So, ready na? Tignan natin sa roulette. Just touch the screen. Alam mo, itong gusto ko eh. Automatic yan. O, di ba? Good luck to you! Kaya, Nankash, agor daw siya, Shiawase? Okay, from All-Star, ready? Okay, palakpakan natin, Mo-chan! Yes, thank you very much. Yung pala title nun. Gandang title. And contestant number 9 from Hololive JP. Hololive? Mama explain sa atin yan. Ashley Nato says, hi! So tell us about what series is this again? Hololive JP
VTuber.
VTuber. Ba't mo naman gustuhan yun?
Siya po kasi yung Oshika po sa Hololive. Bale, idol po siya, tapos nag-VTuber din po siya.
Talaga? Ano, first time mo lang siya na-meet or ano?
Hindi po, long
Nag-meet
time
na ba
fan
kayo?
ako.
Halo, mag-meet kayo. Mas maganda yon para, sino naman gumawa ng costume? Sino gumawa ng costume mo?
Ay, yung friend ko po, kaso nasa langit.
Okay lang yan. Masaya siya para sa'yo. So, eto na. Ready na? Kinakabahan ba?
Opo.
Wala yan. Tignan natin. Dito natin malalaman kung ano ang iyong kakantahin sa mahiwagang roleta. Mananalo ka ng Suki Dakara. Mukhang ano kaya? Kaya kantahin? Yeah, sige, palakpakan natin. Contestant number 9 says...
If alam niyo po yung song, makisingan lang po kayo. Kakkoi kara suki nan janai, suki dakara kakkoiんだよ。誰かにバカにされてもなんともないだって私のヒーロー。いつも眠いっていうくせに地球を着ているとことかみんなの前ではクールなのにみんなの前ではデレデなことか本当に愛してやまないあなたのこと私だけのヒーローになってよ LINE だってしていたいし一緒に書いたりしたいよ放課後部活に行くあなたにまたねって独り言休みの日だって会いたいし4時でもしたみたいけどそんな勇気はちっともなくて呆れるな振り向いて欲しくて意識して欲しくて薄いをつけて一人で乗せてあなたが欲しくてあなたのものになりたくてずっとそばでベッドの上のシミュレーションあなたの考えながらまた明日 Thank you po!
Thank you very much, sis. Wow, ganda naman ang boses. And contestant number 10, we have Spantom, G. Spantom from Delta Room. Yeah, libre ba yan? Libre ba yan? Your name?
My name is Nito.
Nico.
Cosplaying as Spamdon J. Spamdon.
Okay, so paano naman ang preparation sa pagkanta?
Ano naman po? Okay naman po.
So makakapag-sing
Yes.
ka naman na maayos.
Yes po.
Okay,
Yes.
good. So ito ang iyong kakantahin sa ating ruleta. So, ang mahiwagang ruleta, ano kaya ang kakantahin niya? Bunny! Angat pa. Wala. Hikawa Kiyoshi. Kaya? Nakapag-isip. Hikawa Kiyoshi. Kaya ba? Kaya kantahin? Kaya yan. Para lang paisip. Pero kaya mo yan. Hikawa. Ready na? Okay, ready. Palakpakan natin. Contestant number 10, Neto!
最先端の夢中をこの手に掴むよずっと今日に笑ってたい自分が離れたい I can't get no satisfaction 退屈は君になる重くて落ち sama mo na tawagin.
Yes, thank you very much, Neto. So we wish to acknowledge our media partners, Manila Bulletin, WhenInManila.com, Anime PH, Sexyo Ani Usapang Cosplay, Otaku Vibes, Fast Report Media, Anime Corner, Cosplay Network Philippines, Team J Sokyo, Kuhako Media, J-Pop Manila, Just Chili, Magic 89.9, and Arcadimac.com. So Cosplay Mania 2025, the most massive cosplay and J-culture spectacle of the year. So when sharing on social media special memorable moments here at the event, don't forget to use our official hashtag CosplayMania 2025. Our next contestant number 11, Kyoto, as Connie Springer from Shingeki no Kyojin. Hello!
So, hello.
Hello, how are you?
Doing okay.
You're doing okay? So you're cosplaying
Tony
as?
Springer from Attack on Titan.
Okay, so are you ready? Are you
Yes, I am.
I am. So are you with your friends?
My friends are right over there. Hello.
Oh, ayun. Hello. So eto na. Let's see kung ano ang iyong kakantahin.
Here.
Red Swan from Yoshiki. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, palakpakan natin kung sa double 11, Yoto!
Like the scarlet night, fading in the dark. You can hide your fear, can lie, my dear. Kung lumaba, iwan mo bite. Shitarake no Tsubasa Hirokete. What's the truth? What's the lie? What to believe in my life? Like a fallen angel, Toki no Kazumi, Nagasarete, Ochite yuku into the starry night. Megani no yoru ni takishimete, Eien no flight to heaven. Offered Oire Hudson.
Thank you very much. Our next contestant number 12, we have Akari from Kimutsu no Yaiba. Ay, may fans? Naku, audience impact agad. Grabe. Hello, how are you?
Hello. I'm good. I'm good.
Yan. Saan mo nang kono costume mo ulit?
Right now, I'm cosplaying Kimotsuji no Gun from
Parang na,
Miranda.
so parang nasa ano lang na.
It's a match from Demon Slayer and
Yeah.
from K-pop Demon Hunters.
Yeah, true. So anong preparation natin? Ilang araw ang ano? Practice.
Ilang araw ang practice. Actually, kanina lang po.
Parang nag-usap lang. Ito
on,
naman.
on day sign out.
Wow! Talaga naman. Sige, tignan
I
natin.
forgot po.
Okay lang yan. Tignan natin. First time mo ba? Ganda?
No, not really. This is my third time.
Oh! Talaga kaya pala. Wala nang practice. Eto na! Hindi ko kabisado. JP lyrics only. Bahala kayo dyan. Kerry! Naintindihan?
Ano po ba yung songs na?
Hindi ko, yung ba yung napili mo? Bahala kayo na pumili niyan. Ayan o, nakalis JP only. Okay, palakpakan natin. Contestant number 12, Akari!
나에게는愛は叫ぶよぶつかり合って噛み合うんだ光はそこにある譲れない想いをかけて希望の果てを僕は生きる夢つないだ君と始まりもいつか僕らの土手を見出すんだよ優しい君の声もきっと世界を変えられる誰も一人きりじゃ立ち上がれやしないから影夢と伸ばして限りを超えた明日へ鳴りやまぬ愛を叫ぶよぶつかり合って分かり合うわ光をすぐになるよ譲れない想いをかけて希望の果ても僕は生きるよ夢をつないだ君と
Thank you, Akari. Hindi ka prepared yan, ha? Yan talaga, ha? Next, contestant number 13 from Cyberpunk Sorman, Peggy San. Hello. Good afternoon. So, ang kino-cosplay mo ay...
Cyberpunk game po. Pero
Bakit?
ano po siya, customized po siya.
Ang customize siya.
Yes.
Bakit yun naman nagustuhan mo?
Bali ano po kasi na-attract po ako na pag po sarili kong gawa, tas ina-portrait ko po sa ibang tao.
Ganda. So, ready ka naman? Hindi ka naman kinakabahan?
Onti po.
Okay lang yan. Sino ang kasama mo dito?
Meron po isang kasama pero di ko po alam po dumating na.
O, bahala siya sa kamo. Basta ikaw kakanta ka. Tingnan natin sa ruleta. Ano ang iyong kakantahin? Wow, ang dami. Dami mo na napili. Karaoke Myrish. No guide, melody, instrumental. Terry, kaya?
Yes, kaya.
Okay, palakpakan natin. Contestant number 13, Beijing.
Akari no tomo ta minna eko to yuko no mera na kinkaku Amai ko yakete shikai ne morosu no retera kinkaku Andira na mode musenai de toki ga ikisaku Yeah, yeah 呆らた顔でくない追いつけて役場まミラージュあの日のままに二い時に苦してて不金カードあと山頃間違いへ夜は間近と稼がってない方照らす行きさずちょっと待ってや俺らがたぎ悪生活あってやなほんと勝手やな確かに10年前のこんな始まってなラリラリララ今日も花手前の開いに限えなほんと勝手やな確かに10年前にこんな始まり方選べなかった自愛会なった悔やめがどっちかもっと勝ってよもっと勝ってよ欲張って笑うほんまないいかくどれの言葉よしたぽどうでもいいや服の通りほるんとまんみは呆れた顔とくない追いつけたよ奪まミラージュあの日のままに二い時に苦してて金カードあとらの頃間違いへ夜は間近く稼がなまい中照らす行きさず
Yes, thank you very much, Peng. Yan, galing. Lahat ng mga contestants natin, well prepared na. contestant number 14 from Wuthering Waves as Rover, Arthur! Hello, Arthur! So, tell us naman about your costume at saan yan?
Costume from Wuthering Waves, the gacha game. Rover, male Rover.
May Rover. So, ano yung ginagawa nila actually?
Well, they fight and they grab monsters like Pokemon.
Okay. Sige. So, ready ka na? Hindi ka naman kinakabahan? You're not nervous?
Oh, no. Always kinakabahan.
Good. Always talaga. Tignan natin sa ruleta ang iyong kapalaran. Let's pay. Sabi ko na ba eh. Daybreak Spell. Kaya? Okay, palapakan natin. Contestant number 14, Arthur! Thank you, Arthur. Next, contestant number 15, we have Spy Family as Lloyd Porter Drew.
What's up, Cosplay Mania?
What's up, man?
What's up?
So, sino kasama mo? May mga friendship ka ba ditong kasama?
Wala.
Wala. Okay lang yan. Ngayon magkakaroon ka na ng friendship kasi makikilala ka na nila. First time mo ba sumali sa ganitong contest?
I think less than 10.
Less than 10?
Yep.
Very caring naman. Bakit yan palang napili mo, Spy Family?
Because one of the 3 songs that I is from Nick's Nuts.
Sige, tignan natin sa ruleta ang iyong kapalaran kung ano ang iyong kakantahin. Ay, hindi ko binaba. Mixed nuts!
Wow!
Pinaghalong mani.
Let's go.
Ba? Drew? Okay, palakpakan natin. Contestant number 15, Drew!
袋に詰められた夏のような世間では誰もがそれぞれ出会った誰かと寄り添い合ってるそこに紛れ込んだ僕らはピーナッツみたいに昨日にの気にしながら微笑み浮かべる幸せのテンプレートの上持つ絵に描いた雨の裏テーブルを囲み手を合わすそりと刻い
りのままではいられないまま隠し事だらけ継ぎはぎだらけの You know 噛み砕いてもなくならない本音が張り集まったまま不安だらけなりゆきばかせのない変なのかりそめまみれの日常だけどここの僕がいてあなたがいるこの真実だけでも気が持たれてゆく
Yes!
どうもありがとう
Thank you, Drew! Galing-galing, may audience impact na. Next, contestant number 16 from Limbus Company as Don Quixote, Felix!
Hello! Hi po.
Yan! So, how are you now?
I'm very good.
Oh, ready ka? Bakit? Come here. Sino kasama mo?
My cousin po.
Asaan siya?
Hindi ko po alam.
Hindi mo alam. Ay, yung cousin daw ni Felix, sinasang kaman. Ayun, nagtataas ng kamay. Baka siya. Felix, anong kinocosplay mo?
I am cosplaying Don Quixote from Limbus Company.
Bakit yan ang napili?
Because my favorite character in Limbus is Don Quixote.
Ah, talaga. And yung costume mo, sinong gumawa? The props?
I bought it but I made the prop.
Ah, good. Tapos bilihin yan. Maganda yan. Sige, tignan natin sa ruleta ang iyong kapalaran. O, ano? Sige. Sige! O. O, ha? O. Inis ko. Ay, gustong gusto! Pero hindi daw yan ang kakantahin mo. Diyos. Okay, palakpakan natin. Contestant number 16, Felix!
突然フロアに立ち上がったもないやいや空の恋でなんか知らない季節な変わり目の服は何着りゃいいなの春と秋どこ行っちゃったんだよいつもいきなり情報の圧力前のせいだ私はどこにいるこんなに息の音がするのに変だね世界の音がしちゃい足りない誰にも気づかめない探りが聞きたい音出せない状態で叫んだよありのままなんて誰に見せるんだまかな私は歌うだけぶちまけちゃう顔が星に